here. Just dragging my bait behind right now. And you can fill in your rod if you get one. And if you're using a crankbait, you can pull it. You can tell if you can still feel your crankbait wobbling. Like that right there, I can still feel it vibrating. A lot of times it's good to give it some action like this too. I feel like we got a hit right there. Got us a fish on. Feels all right too. Not huge for sure, but drum. Yep. All right. Pretty big drum. Boat flip. All right.
Ah, shit.
There's our fish. We're gonna get a weight on it. Alright. Alright, so it's 0. Okay. 1 pound, 7 ounces. These dudes are stinky. See, dude. That thing stinks.
Yeah, I can't stand them.
You got a pretty sharp fin on them too.
Yeah, I got a real sharp fin on them. What are you talking about?
Let me show you how to do it again. Alright, so we pulled up on a little gravel bar here. We're gonna try it out. See how it works for us. As you can see, I've waded out here in the water. Just trying to crank one off that big pile over there, dirt pile. Probably be better to be hitting it with some plastics from the bank over there, but we might go try that. Try one more cast. Sure. Yeah. I guess we can take another, because you know what they say, fisherman's last cast is like a woman's I'll be right back in the grocery store. You got it? What is that, a spot? Is that a spot? Yeah. Oh. He says it's a largemouth. He caught that using a tube. I figured that would work, but I really didn't want to tie one on. This spot just looks like you'd be able to catch a bass here easily, but I haven't even got a bite yet. Come try this out with that tube. Come try this with that tube. Felt like I got a hit there, but I guess not. Oh, yeah, I did. Little one. There. Largemouth, ain't it? Largemouth. He's too small to keep though. I figured there'd be a bass right there. At least somewhere on this. He chased it all the way up on that bank.
Right there. And that, where that shoot's coming out.
Alright.
Let me know.
Alrighty.
Hang on.
We're gonna sing us some minutes. That chute up there, it has them like this too.
Yeah. All the way up through there, and to that point on the other side of that slick water, go out around to that point. That's where you get this out front of the Hey. We caught it. There's a mess there.
Alright. Okay. Show you what I'm using here. This old green jig, and we've got a perch hook on with it. It's kind of a bigger bait. It's okay because we catch big fish. And both caught one drum. I said both one bass and both one drum. Oh my gosh. Get the net. I don't know. It's a freaking drum. Gosh dang it.
Having fun, ain't you?
Yeah. I thought I had that big giant gar I seen. He thought he wanted some of it to start with, but he's changed his mind now. Really? Go ahead and get a release on Jerry. Say, buddy. Show y'all how to catch one right here. Ooh, there he was. There he is. We're gonna have to retry that. You got him? You got something big, don't you? Drum. Boy, we're the drum kings today. That ties us up. There you go. All right.
Hell yeah, homie.
Pretty nice bass. Mm.
Get him on video?
Yeah, slightly. About the last half of it. We'll go ahead and keep this one. That's a keeper. Dink. Go ahead, tell him what just happened.
I've been fishing for a while with instead of barbless hook, no hook.
His hook was completely broke off. That's why he was missing all these fish. Or logs, whatever he wants to call them. Finally got it. Oop! He's about to go back in if I don't watch it. Come on, dude. Not too bad of one. Might need to add some water to that. Oh yeah, catching monster perch. 33 pounder. Fish kind of shut off, I guess.
Huh?
It's getting hot. Oh, there he is. Yep.
What are you catching on slow thing?
Wacky worm. Oh, he got off. Yep. It's probably a perch or something. Oh, you got one? What is that, a drum or a bass? You get him? That one's pretty nice. Kentucky. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Hold up.
Oh my goodness.
Huge fish just chased my bait up. I don't know if it was a walleye or if it was a bass. Another one. Oh my gosh. That's 2. Oh no, he's still on there. He's just running at me. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? These hooks lose fish easy. Come out of there. Come on now. Every stinking one. Mother French toast. I just let another one get off.